This has been a test of the NWR radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches. Work is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. On Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NWR radio and same alert systems. Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the Worcester area. In Worcester, it was fair. The temperature was 67 degrees. The dew point 51, and the relative humidity 56%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.30 inches and falling. Lows in the lower around the region. In western Massachusetts, the report from Pittsfield was not available. At Orange, fair. Temperature 67, wind south at 5. At Fitchburg, fair. Temperature 74, wind southwest at 6. And in Westfield, fair. Temperature 66, wind south at 5. In eastern Massachusetts, in Boston, partly sunny. Temperature 71, wind south at 8. And at Bedford, fair. Temperature 72, wind south at 7. In southeast Massachusetts, at Norwood, fair. Temperature 72, wind southwest at 7. In southern New Hampshire, the report from Kingwood, New Hampshire. In Manchester, it's fair. Temperature 69. At Manchester, partly sunny. Temperature 72.
I think the only radio that failed to go was this guy.
From Nashua was not available.
Can't really say I'm certain as to why.
Willimantic. In Concord, mostly sunny, 71. Jaffrey, mostly sunny, 69. The report from Smithfield was
Pretty good
not
reception all
available.
around, but whatever.
Once again, repeating the 10 a.m. weather for the Worcester area, it was fair. The temperature was 67 and the wind was southwest at 5.
I guess the 400 is the new helicopter.
Now for the 10 a.m. observations across the northeastern United States.
It's probably not going to go off because...
Fair and 68. And 72. Boston was partly sunny and 70.
That might. Who knows?
In Rhode Island, at Providence, partly sunny and 69. In Newport, fair and 67. The report from Block Island was not available. In Connecticut, at Hartford, fair and 68. In Rockford, fair and 64.
Oh yes, makes so much sense.
And in New Haven, fair and 64. In New York State, at Albany,
Would have been a... what the hell is it called? Would have been a perfect activation, that's what it is, had the version 100 gone off. But it's whatever, I don't really give a shit all that much. Where's program? There we go.
becoming mostly cloudy, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Today, partly and variable. 5 to 10 miles tonight.
Zone guard caught it just in 1050. This of course got it, no surprise there. This got it, no surprise. This got it, no surprise. How the hell did this not go off?
Warmer with highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles.
Strange things are happening in this room here. Yeah, I really don't know how this guy didn't go off either, but whatever.
Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, rain. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain.
Now all of a sudden WNG 575 wants to be a shitstorm.
Rain until midnight. Then partly cloudy with it.
Whatever. And this guy got it.
Cloudy.
Okay. So, assuming gray goes at 11:10 like it did last week, we got 4 minutes.
This is a test of NWR Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming.
And by 4 minutes, I mean 2 minutes, because they decided to go at 11:08, I think?
Recreation forecast for Lake Winnipesaukee.
That's just about the earliest that Gray has ever tested, I think, actually.
5 miles per hour. Winds around 1 foot. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s.
And the only area that failed to go was this guy.
For this period.
Understandably.
Tonight, southwest winds around
I guess you could say this went off, just not for the right thing.
around 1 foot. Partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers after midnight.
I don't know what the fuck is up with the reception in this room, but whatever, I don't give a shit no more.
Rain 20%. Thunderstorms are not forecast for this period. Water temperature 55 degrees. Thursday, south winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Waves less than 1 foot at the...
This guy got it, though. Just fine. It lists the counties in very weird order, and it lists the counties in a very weird order, that's for sure. There you go, people. There you go.